Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change Skrill email address. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the add, transfer and exchange. In the bottom of the screen, we have 5 tabs, which are the Home tab, Card, Crypto, Sports, and the rewards in the bottom right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change Skrill email address. So firstly, go to the Skrill website or open the Skrill mobile app and log into your account. After that, go to the settings section, which is in the top left corner. Here you can go and find the settings section, and then click on personal details. After clicking on personal details, click on add an email address and enter your new email. So when you have entered your new email, you'll receive a verification code via email. Enter this code to verify that email address. Then once verified, click make primary to set it as your main email address. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.